All right, I'm excited today. It's Saturday morning. I feel like Christmas a little bit. Impervious just released this week their registry to basically be able to put your own semi like forked ENS or .eth system for your own Handshake name. So I'm gonna go through it step by step. I did some pre-work. I didn't want to like waste your time showing me all these waiting and. So I took screenshots and I'm gonna go through this as clearly, and I'm actually gonna mint it or I don't know, open a contract live. So hopefully that works smoothly. So registry.impervious.com, and then of course you can buy. I'm gonna buy one at the end. I don't even know which one I'm gonna buy, but I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna first stake and then I'm gonna buy. Okay, we're gonna do both today in one video, if my computer lets me. So you go here and I actually was gonna stake evergreen, but I've been talking to Mike Carson and I want to make it like lifetime for the evergreen, so I decided to wait on that. But I did verify my data here. They'll give you an NS record, a TXT record. Again, I got screenshots just to save your time. I did it in Namebase. This is in Namebase. So you would go to blockchain DNS records, add the NS, add the TXT. I think one important one I've learned in all these tutorials I made and done, you got to keep these dots at the end. If there's a dot at the end, keep the dot. That's a little tip for you. And then it's pretty quick. I don't really recall. I've been doing this the last 24 hours or so, but you wait for it to update, and then it will. I mean, it depends. I actually don't recall, but you know, it's like a couple hours. I think in Namebase, they're submitting to the blockchain, right? So it's got to get updated on the Merkle tree, I believe. But I decided to do OMEN today. Okay. This is a positive omen. I feel like thank you. I mean, a lot of people have been talking to me in Twitter and all these places. We want to do our own TLDs. We don't want to just do .forever. We want to do our own TLDs on Ethereum. Well, how do we fork ENS? How do we use this GitHub? I've been talking to so many people. So thank you. And I think this is a really positive omen. So I decided to use the OMEN name, .omen. And I did this already. I submitted it. And it was like 20 minutes, honestly. For it to become verified. Although, sorry, I'm trying to download this. To become verified. Okay. And hopefully I don't freeze my computer. It's a lot of stuff we're doing here. Okay, you know, we're experimenting. It's very early stage. But anyways, it's verified, okay? So I did this in Bob Wallet. And I did the evergreen is already verified, but I haven't staked. So of course you have Metamask or whichever wallet they support. Ethereum wallet. This is Ethereum. You have to get ETH, which I don't have much of honestly, but I might do more because of this and more tutorials. And hopefully my thing doesn't crash. I just want to do some of this live. But basically so far I've staked. I put OMEN. I updated records on the blockchain of Handshake, and now I'm gonna try to stake. Again, I think when I'm recording a video and I have bad internet in China and maybe I have to just do screenshots, but it's frozen again. Okay, but I think I'm going to have to pay this. It's $250 in Ethereum, and then they're going to get 20% of all ongoing sales. And because, you know, it's going to go to them. I mean, I think they deserve it. You know, you could, of course, try to make your own ENS fork for your own and pay probably a lot more than that. And it's also going to show up in their OpenSea. You'll be part of this collection. All your sales will be in here. I'm overheating the computer again. And again, OMEN, you can see that the records were updated on chain. Whether you do it Namebase, Bob, or whatever, you'll be able to see the update here, July 23rd. Maybe if I close some tabs. I think because I'm recording screen share and my computer's old. And all right, so just took a screenshot. It ran and it did. Again, gwei is super cheap. It's around 10. So normally this would be much higher, I'm assuming. So we're just lucky doing this now. Of course, the fee and the gas to then do it, and then it processed, it finished, and now I click done. And I'm not sure exactly what happens, but let's see. Again, we're super early. It's staked. I wonder if it's going to show up. I wonder. I mean, it's brand new. I did talk to Mike Carson, the founder of Impervious, and he says there's going to be a control panel and options and set things. But let's do part 2 while we see if that's worked. So we just staked OMEN, and then I said I would buy one. So let me think of a name. I know it's like if it's less than 3, I don't have that much ETH right now, so I don't want to get a premium one. I think 3 Ls or less or cost more. I'll show you why not. Again, I'm freezing on my Metamask. Again, I'm not really, an ETH maxi by any means. It did just get some NFTs. So I got 0.08. Okay, just did that big chunk there. So let's just say fun. So there's CNWW OMEN. Look, we got it there. And then there's LGBTQI. So look, see the price there is higher than funny. And notice the fee is much less. Obviously 0.006, 0.00006 times 1500 ETH, $9 right now with low gas. Let's just say yeah, see, it's much more for 1L AA. Again, we're learning together here. I'll do the 0.006. I got enough for that. Double is 0.5 ETH, right? Half ETH. AAA is, I think, the 0.3. And then 4L, I think, is when it starts to drop. It says even 0. No, 0.2. We could do that. We have 0.08. Again, and I think once it gets to 5L, we have 0.08. You should. My math is so slow. So we have, let's do a 5L. It'll show 0. Please. Sorry. I just want to show you a real video, not just screenshots or blogs. But I remember this was a 0.006, which is about $9 in ETH. Let's see. Maybe we click into the register. I'm not going to buy this though, but yeah, Metamask for me is so slow. I think it's because my internet in China and firewalls and all that stuff. I'm done with all my Metamask transactions. Just to go through the steps, I picked online.www because it's a pretty popular, word, and I'll put the screenshots, but I paid just a few dollars in gas to request to register, and then I waited a minute. It was counting down for a minute, and then it says available or I'll register. I click register. I paid the $9 in the registration fee, and then I paid the gas fee, which is like $3. So I paid about $12. And then it's processing, and now it's freezing because I don't know what's up with my MetaMask, and I'm recording on this at the same time. But I just registered, and I'm assuming it's going to work. So I will move to the next step. Again, this is just problems with my computer. I'm trying my best to make videos for you. Whenever I do Ethereum stuff, it's freezing. So the cool thing is it's going to all be in this collection Impervious Registry, so it will show names that are registered. So you'll see online.www if you register an OMEN. Thank you in advance. It's a good omen to get an OMEN. I actually think it's an amazing TLD. Well, of course, paid a bit for that. Anyways, you can get an OMEN too, or a www, or any of those TLDs that you get will be in this OpenSea or any kind of Ethereum collection. I believe it's going to be part of this contract. So I would buy one, but I'm not going to pay ETH right now, although Handshake.www is pretty cool. But if you do buy one, it would show here. It probably takes a little bit of time, and you'll probably see online.www in here pretty soon. And then I could list it for sale, and you can buy it. So it's pretty cool. So I would suggest, even though you're a TLD owner, maybe watching this, and you want to just stake your own, buy some others. Support the network. Let's build this up. Ethereum name service ENS, they do a great job in community, right? So we should start to support each other to do these. And I think there's so much more power and potential here. I will do evergreen later once we can do lifetime and other settings. Seems like it's just came out. It's like less than, I think, 24 hours. I'm here on the other side of the world Saturday morning. Try my best to share this. I hope this has been helpful. Again, Mike at Sky Include. And of course, this is early stage technology. I'm going to also send this to a burn address. Now it's still in my Bob, but OMEN is gone now. OMEN, I'm not sure what's up with this, but OMEN is, as far as I'm concerned, part of this Impervious registry. And of course, the Ethereum will go to this wallet address and not Metamask. So 80% and 20% will stay within Impervious. And they already got the $250 from us, from our team here, to stake it, and now you can get your own .omen. That would be a great way to support. We could also talk about it when we register in the future episodes. So I hope this is helpful. Again, I know it's a little buggy on my computer, but we did some gas. We'll put some transactions. Sky Include screenshots as always, and full notes at skyinclude.com/impervious. Thank you to them. Support them, stake some, and support sharing this around, buying some, flipping some, using them on some of the domains at www. Pretty funny. All right, that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Peace.